I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to disable two-factor authentication on Freelancer, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Freelancer website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile picture in the top right corner and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 3. Find Security Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Security tab on the left side. Click on it to view your security options. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Locate the section for two-factor authentication. You should see an option to disable it. Click the toggle or button to turn it off. Step 5. Confirm changes. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm your decision. Follow the instructions to finalize the changes. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation messages. Remember, disabling two-factor authentication can make your account less secure, so proceed with caution. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy freelancing!